Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Chef Vic Cuisine. Today we're going to be making Hollandaise sauce, the ultimate topping for an Eggs Benedict. This also pairs really well with your favorite sautéed vegetables. And it's really easy to make, so let's get started. All right, let's dive right into this recipe. All it takes is a couple of basic ingredients in the kitchen, and before you know it, you'll have Hollandaise sauce. So in a large bowl, or even in a blender, you want to add in 3 large egg yolks, 1 tablespoon's worth of lemon juice, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of cayenne pepper, and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Whisking those all together until they're well combined. We're now going to use an immersion blender and set it on high speed. And we're going to mix this for 5 to 10 seconds while slowly adding in 1/2 cup's worth of unsalted butter that's been melted and it's still hot into the mix. You want to keep blending this on medium speed, gradually adding in the butter until an emulsion forms. And once the consistency looks like this, your Hollandaise sauce has been formed. You want to pour this sauce into a small serving bowl, and it's best served warm. Congrats, you've just made one of the 5 mother sauces in French cuisine. Hollandaise sauce pairs excellently with asparagus, with an Eggs Benedict, salmon, and so much more. Using an immersion blender is easier to create a proper emulsion, but a normal blender works great too if you don't have an immersion blender readily available. But when you try this recipe at home, be sure to tag me at Chef Vic Cuisine or hashtag Chef Vic Cuisine so I can see your great takes on this sauce. As always, this recipe and many more can be found in my cookbook, Chef Vic Cuisine Volume 3, Upgrading Your Inner Chef. It's available on Amazon, and I'll be sure to leave a link to that in my description box. And feel free to click the pop-up on your screen for more information on that as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed learning how to make this Hollandaise sauce, and if you did, make sure you smash that like button for me. It's one of the best ways to show support for the channel. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe, and subscribe some more. And feel free to share this video with all your family and friends. And stay tuned for next week where I show you how to make an amazing seasonal dessert, my pumpkin rolls. They turn out looking pretty intricate, but they're actually pretty easy to make. Well, thank you all again so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. You can always check out more recipes on my page now. YouTube thinks you like these videos, so let's see if they're right. And I'll catch you next time on another episode of Chef Vic Cuisine. And until then, peace.